Yeah, they are. Are they doing them again? I think we basically park and then we have to walk to them. So the car park's down there, and then you go past all these lodges. You can smell food, so that's really good. Someone's hungry, so he's carrying on. And we're just going to go walk to our woodland lodge, which you can see there's some through here. So we're just going to walk there. Oh, if I can speak, it is a Friday night. We're just going to walk there now. But it's really lovely. We really looked out with the weather. Here we go. 784. Ooh, let's go. It's not the same as a magic band, is it? Ooh, here we go. Oh, it's nice and warm. It's got a double bed. It does smell wood-like, cabin-like. Here's the bathroom. Got some shampoo. Oh, if it wants to focus. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash. And then we've got chairs and a telly over there. And then a little wardrobe here if you were here for a bit longer. Then a mirror with me in. And then, oh, I wonder if there's a lot. Oh, there's, oh, this is lovely. So then there's a little bit here with 2 beds. And then, oh, there's a light under there as well. Which does that turn on? Nice. And then same up there. And then there's also a curtain here. We wanted to shut off. Oh, there's a little window as well, which is lovely. What can we see? Oh, we've got a little view. We're one of the lodges on the edge. And then it looks like there's a put-away bed as well. So I'm guessing they might sleep 5. But yeah, this is our lodge for the night. Looks really nice. Yeah, there's a pull-out bed under there. So you could probably fit 5 here. And then this is the window, and we've got the map. Oh, I think that's a fire escape actually. But I can show you on the map. So it's focused. So we're in the fern leaf part up the top right. And yeah, it looks really good. There's not, we've got a nice bit out the front here, and the weather's nice, so we can sit out there if we want. Nice blue sky. So yeah. 784 is the room we're staying in. We've got normal plugs instead of USB ones, but that's fine. Then over here, oh, we've got some biscuits, oat and wholemeal, and then this is going to be, yeah, remember from last time when we came and stayed at the Alton Towers Resort during COVID, they put all the sugars and everything in there. Yeah, then it's got all the information there, but we're going to actually order food now. So see you in a little bit. This is the outside of the lodge. Then you've got some seats here. Door there. The detail on the floor as well is really good. Looks like a nice little picnic. Here as well. So this was in the room, and up until I think Monday, because Monday's, what's the date Monday? 17th of May? Yeah, when restaurants can reopen inside. Up until then, they have this where you scan and you, yeah, you choose what you want on the app and it gets sent to your room directly. So we're just waiting on food now. But yeah, I don't know if this is carrying on after the 17th of May or what, but because the restaurant will be open then. But yeah. So this is for now anyway. So our food's just come and been dropped off. So we've got some cocktails, got some bottled water because it's cheaper than in the park, pizza, and then a burger. Yeah, let's have a look at your, what have you got, burger? Ooh.
That looks alright.
That does look alright. These are cocktails, beer, drink, and then, ooh, that does look nice, isn't it? I'm sure you'll have a slice of that. Let's dig in, we're starving. Quiet it is this morning. There we go, focus now. It's literally 10 to 8. I've bunged some clothes on to go and pick up the breakfast map because they said it gets busy between a certain time of, what was it, 8 and 9. So I was like, oh, I'll go now. Some people are checking out early. quick spoon is this way by the looks of it. We came this way last night, but there's people coming. I'll pop the camera. They also have all of these pastries, muffins, fruit as well, so it's more than just a breakfast bar. So, got the goods. I was actually really impressed, but I'm spilling the coffee now, so I'll show you what we've got when we get back in. But look how lovely it is. So peaceful now, and it was so quiet by our place as well. So just picked this up from reception. There was no queue. I went at, was it 7:50? Yeah, around 7:50. There was no queue. Really friendly staff. Managed to pick up a coffee, and then we've also got an orange juice and an apple juice. They advertised it online as like, well, it came across to me as one or the other, but they had both. And then online it said you get like a bacon or sausage bat, but they had so much more than that. So I picked up a double chocolate muffin for us both, whether we have that now or in the part later. I also picked up a few Penno chocolates as well. These aren't all for me, these are obviously for the two of us. And then basically they put it on a roll, but they had sausage, bacon, mushrooms and egg. So I just had the bacon and sausage. And then my partner has got, so I'm just getting the milk and stir up, bacon, sausage, egg and mushrooms. I didn't know if we'd want all of it or not. So that's so much more than a bath, really, considering all this. So they're really making the most of it. They've tried to do everything they can. There was also fruit, but as you can see, I've not picked that up. So, okay, someone's going to dig in, so I'm going to stop video now. But I'm really impressed with the service, considering they can't open the restaurants just yet. Focusing, there we go. So this is my bacon and sausage wrap. It's massive. Come in. It's going to be rainy today. There we go, you weren't focused, but you've got the Alton Towers Hotel there. The pods are there. Oh, there's a car coming. And then, yeah, Alton Towers Hotel here. Splash landings down here. But we're just gonna quickly cut across. Walking back to the car now, and here is the path that we walked down, and then that's where you go if you want to go to Alton Towers. Ooh, Alton Towers Hotel, and then this way is the little shortcut way to the Enchanted Lodges and the Stargaze and Pods car park. So on the map it actually looks really far away, but actually it's not far at all. I do really like the Alton Towers Hotel as well. You can see right in front, so these are the pods. I didn't realise there were so many of them actually. And then the hotel is just there because that's where we normally park for Alton Towers Hotel, and you can also park for the Treehouses there. But for the pods and the Enchanted Lodges, parking's just around here. So not a long walk at all. And we've really enjoyed it.